Students, third class students, okay, now we are going to see a new topic, that is pronoun. Already you have learned and you understood from the second class onwards what is noun. Today we are going to see about the pronoun. Okay, pronoun. Okay, the pronoun definition is a person replaces a noun in sentences. Okay, noun replaces in the noun. Okay, that is called pronoun. And second one is, both you can understand and by heart it. A pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun. Okay, a pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun is called pronoun. Okay, right? Very good. Now in the personal pronoun, okay, one person's name I took. Okay, just see the example. A girl name is Sheila. Okay, Sheila. Now about Sheila, I am going to say so many things about Sheila. Okay, or I am going to say about Sheila some like essay. Then always I am going to use only noun. Sheila, each sentence, Sheila. Just you see the sentence. Now I am going to say or write about Sheila. Some 5 points I am going to write about Sheila. Okay, that is the personal pronouns. Okay. Sheila is good girl. Sheila is good. Good looking on. Okay, good looking. Okay, and the second is Sheila obeys her parents. Sheila obeys parents and the teacher. Sheila obeys parents and teachers. Parents and teachers. Everybody likes Sheila. Everybody likes Sheila. Once again, okay, only 3 sentences or Sheila. This is about, what is that? This is a Sheila. Okay, about Sheila I am speaking. About Sheila. See, in these sentences, Sheila is good looking. Sheila obeys parents and teachers. Everybody likes Sheila. In this you see, here also Sheila, here Sheila, here Sheila. All the sentences are Sheila. So instead of Sheila, what we have to use, that is called pronoun. Okay. Then now in this sentence, same thing in this sentence. Instead of these are, I have used the noun, proper noun, and instead of noun we use, that is called pronoun. Instead of noun, proper noun, we are getting anyway things or the person, we are going to use, that is proper pronoun, that is called pronoun. Okay, now same thing I am writing here. She is good looking. And Sheila obeys parents and teachers. Obeys parents and teachers. And again, next sentence, everybody likes instead of Sheila, her. Everybody like her. See here, these are pronoun. This called pronoun. Understood? Here, so in every sentences, here just for the one person I have told, instead of person, she, instead of Sheila, she, and her or hers, that is called pronoun. And here again next, I am telling about myself. I am Sister Asamta. Okay, I am Sister Asamta, and Sheila gave me a book. Sheila gave me a book, and this book is now mine. And we are best friend. Sheila and me are best friend. Now, I have used sentences. Not myself or Asamta, I have not said. So here I have used I, and me. Sheila gave me pen, like that, or book, and now that book is mine. Me, I, me, mine, and we. In this also we are using the first person. Now in this I have said already in that all that I, me, mine, we, us, ours, these are called the first person. Okay, these are called first person. And now you see, you have here first person, I, me, mine, we, us, ours. I have, these are the first person used. And the second person how? Now you and yours. Second person is you and yours. You and yours, first and the second. In your book you have, when you have to read, then you have to see, you have to say the how, page number 55, very clearly it is given. Okay, the first speaking person is speaking or noun. Okay, these are the. Now I am going about to speak about the second person. You are my friend. I am telling to Sheila, you are my friend. You, I have used for you, and yours book. This book is yours. This book is yours. That you and yours are the personal pronoun of the second person. Okay, you and yours are the personal pronoun of the second person. And now we are going to see the third person. See, in the third person, he, him, his, she, her, hers, it, they, them, theirs. Okay, all persons that used, person is spoken to pronouns of the second person. Okay, now other sentences are, we are going to that the third person is here, he is doing work. Look at here, he is a person, he is doing his work. He presents his honesty. Okay, this shirt is hers. He is doing his work. He is so many things. About him, he, him, his, she, or about she is a lady, then she, her, hers, it, and in the plural they, them, theirs. These are the we speak in the third person. Okay, these are the third persons, these called. So students, I have just made for you to understand the first person, second person, and the third person. Can you see? Yes, you see, first person pronoun I, me, mine, we, us, ours, and the second person pronoun is you and yours, and the third person pronoun is he, him, his, she, her, hers, it, they, them, theirs. These are also, students, to remind you, it is very important things that these are called my, mine. These are called also what? Possessive adjective. These are called also, we can call, these are also known as a possessive adjectives. You have to remember, the question may arise for you, possessive adjective. Underline the possessive adjectives, then you have no doubt that these are my, this is possessive. I, me, mine, we, us, these are the possessive adjectives also known. Okay, now the chapter is, I have explained. Now I hope that you have understood the pronoun, first person and second person and the third person pronoun. What are the in the sentences? You have to find out, you have to underline, these are the words you have to understand. Remember, first person pronoun is I, me, mine, we, us, ours, and the second person pronoun is, only two are there, you, yours, and here we can add one more word, that is thou. Okay, and that respective way we call, not instead of you we can call thou. And the third person pronoun is he, him, she, her, hers, and if things is there, it, and they, them, theirs. Okay, hope you have understood. So in the exercise, for your homework, you have to do the exercise A, B, and only two are there, A and B. It is page number 57, and you have to understand, the first person or third person I have explained. So second person which are, so you have to underline the personal pronoun in the following sentences and write their personal in the blanks. Okay, you have to write down what is only first person or second person. You have already understood, and it is very easy. It is my or mine, which person, third person, first person, only that you have to write down. Okay, I am not going to write in the blackboard. Already you must do your homework, page number 57. Only two exercises there, that is A and B, and you have understood what are the first person, second person, and the third person. You must see the page number 56. There is 3 column it is given, and I have shown you also like this column. You must write like that, then for you very easy to understand what are the. So same exercise in the book, there is page number 57, that is there 2 exercises you must do. Okay, you must write in your copy, right? This chapter is over, and you have to read once again and do the exercise in your copy. Okay, thank you.